Hi, welcome to Jamie's product reviews. The Tri-Cities resident food reviewer trying things out so you'll want to as well, or not. Today I'm going to be reviewing something I got from Woodman's a couple nights ago. It's Frank's Red Hot Kickin barbecue. Combining barbecue flavor with spiciness sounds like a pretty good idea to me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fix up these deli sandwiches. Got the buns ready. Let's get the meats on. I've got maple honey ham for one sandwich and mesquite smoked turkey breast for another. So let's get this on here. Sure is hard to spread this stuff out. I'll be back to put on the sauce. I've got the bottle open, and I guess it already smells of a mix of barbecue flavor and spicy kick to it. So let's get this on here. Yeah, hopefully that'll be good enough. When I have to refrigerate this after opening it for the first time, we'll do that later. Alright, I've got the sauce applied to the deli sandwich, so let's not waste any time. Let's give it a shot. I'm going to do a feast forward real quick, so if I have to, I'll add more sauce to it. But, so here goes. I wasn't quite as impressed with it as I thought I would be. I mean, there's more flavor than heat to this. I mean, although I am getting a little kick now inside my mouth, but it's nothing overwhelming. Considering it says red hot sauce, I mean, I would expect a little more spiciness or a little more of a kick to it. But the flavor is still good. It tastes like a spicy barbecue. It's just not overwhelmingly spicy. So I'm going to give it a 4 out of 5. That's my review. See you next time. Bye-bye.